Chapter 1, Types of Plants. Learning Objectives. 1. Trees. 2. Herbs. 3. Shrubs. 4. Climbers. 5. Creepers. 6. Thorny plants. 7. Water plants. Let me answer. Depending on the presence of flowers, plants are classified into 2 types. How many types? Plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, thorny plants, water plants. Parts of a plant: roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruits, seeds, grain, food grains. Types of plants. Plants are present all around us. There are different types of plant on the earth. Some grow in cold places while some grow in hot places. Some grow on land while some grow in water. The food we eat, the juices we drink and the clothes we wear all come from plants. Trees provide us wood for fuel, furniture and tools. Plants use the sunlight as a source of energy to produce food. This process is known as photosynthesis. Plants differ in size and shape. Let us learn about various kinds of plants. Trees. Trees are big plants. They have hardwoody stem called trunks. Most trees have branches. Example: gulmohar, mango, banyan, etc. Trees live for many years. They give us fresh air. Some trees do not have branches. They are called branchless trees. Example: papaya, date, coconut, etc. They grow straight, erect. Shrubs. Shrubs are small bushy plants. They have thin and weak stems with many branches. They do not live for many years. Some shrubs have good smell, so they are used to make perfumes and deodorants. Example: rose, jasmine, hibiscus, etc. Cotton plant is a shrub that provides cotton to make cotton clothes. The oil that mothers and grandmothers use in kitchen for cooking also comes from shrub, like mustard and sunflower. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. These have soft, thin and weak stems. They live for 3-4 months, so they are called seasonal plants. Example: brinjal, coriander, spinach, etc. Climbers. Some plants have weak and soft stems. They cannot stand on their own. They need support to stand and grow. These plants are called climbers. Example: pea plant, money plant, grapevine, etc. Creepers. Some plants have weak or soft stems. They spread on the ground. These plants are called creepers. Example: pumpkin, cucumber, watermelon, etc. Thorny plants. Some plants bear thorns, so these are called thorny plants. Example: cactus, barberry, etc. Thorns protect these plants. Thorns also save water from plants from evaporation. They mostly grow in desert region. Water plants. Some plants grow in water. These plants are called water plants. Example: lotus, water lily, etc. They have soft stems. Some water plants float in water and act as a water purifier. Example: hydrilla, tape grass, etc. Parts of a plant. Roots. Roots usually grow under the ground. They give support to the plant. Roots collect water and minerals from the soil and send them to the other parts of the plant. Stem. Stem usually grows above the ground. It is the main body of the plant. It bears branches, leaves and flowers. It carries food and water to other parts of the plant. Leaves. Leaves are usually green colored part of the plant. They make food for the plant. Leaves are also called the kitchen of the plant. Flower. A flower is the colorful part of the plant from which the seed or fruit develops. It gives beauty to plants. Fruit. Fruit is the fleshy part of a plant. Fruit grows flower and contains either one or many seeds inside it. Seed. A seed is that part of a plant from which a new plant can grow. Those seeds which are edible are called food grains. Facts: all living things are natural. All natural things may not have life. Let's recall. 1. Plants differ in size and shape. 2. Trees are huge plants with strong woody stems called trunks. 3. Papaya, palm and coconut are some of the branchless trees. 4. Shrubs are small bushy plants with thin and weak stems. 5. Herbs are weak plants with soft, thin and weak stems. 6. Climbers are plants with weak stems. They need support to stand and grow. 7. Creepers are plants with very weak stems. They spread on the ground. Word power. Branches. The part of tree growing out of stem, trunk. Food grains. The seeds that are used as food. 2 types of grains, cereals and pulses. Photosynthesis. A process of making food by plants using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Train your brain. Cross curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. What is the name of plant having thin and weak stems? B. Which plants creep on the ground? C. Name any 2 branchless trees. D. Name any 2 climbers. 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable words. A. Most trees have dash. B. Pea plant is a dash. C. Dash have thin and weak stems. D. Watermelon plant is a dash. E. Dash is a thorny plant. 3. Answer the following questions. A. What kind of stems do trees have? B. Which plant are called seasonal plant? Why? C. What are shrubs? D. What are climbers? E. What are creepers? 4. Tick the right and cross the wrong statements. A. Trees have strong woody stems. B. Brinjal and banana are herbs. C. Creepers have strong smell. D. Jasmine is a climber. E. Cactus and rose plants have thorns. 5. Multiple choice questions. A. Dash leaf for many years. 1. Shrubs. 2. Trees. 3. Herbs. B. Cactus is a dash. 1. Herb. 2. Shrub. 3. Desert plant. C. The stem of dash are very weak. 1. Trees. 2. Herbs. 3. Shrubs. D. Sunflower is a dash. 1. Shrub. 2. Tree. 3. Water plant. E. Dash have many branches. 1. Trees. 2. Desert plants. 3. Shrubs. 6. Give one word for each of the following. A. One seasonal plant. B. One shrub. C. Name of the place where lotus grows. D. The thorny desert plant. 7. Match the columns. Column A. Column B. A. Tree. B. Shrub. C. Herb. D. Climber. E. Creeper. F. Thorny plant. Activity time. Take 2 plants. Provide water to both the plants. Keep one plant in a dark room and keep the other plant in the sunlight. You will observe that one plant kept in dark turns pale. This shows that plant needs sunlight for growth. Hots 1. What kind of plants serve as home for birds and animals? Can you tell the reason? 2. Two friends, Ravi and Rahul, were talking about the oldest banyan tree in the world. Do you know where is it found? Project time. Complete the following table with the names of plants other than those mentioned in the lesson. Take the correct category of the plants they belong to.